Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vidyard videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a call to action into one of your Vidyard videos? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a call to action to your Vidyard video anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content, you know that adding a call to action can redirect your viewers to a purchase page or maybe to provide their email address. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vidyard dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Vidyard account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a call to action to one of your videos, here on the left side, you're going to click on this library button. Once you do that, you'll see all the videos you have in Vidyard. So just scroll through until you find the video you want to add a call to action to. So for example, this one right here. And just click on the video name. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and to add a call to action, you want to open up the section called Actions. Once you do that, you'll see these two options, and you want to click on Actions. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add a call to action. First down here, you want to choose, do you want the call to action to be before the video, during the video, or after the video? So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put it before the video, so that's called pre-roll. I'm going to click here. Next, you want to go ahead and choose what type of call to action. So we can do a quick email gate. So that means they're going to need to provide their email before they can watch this video. Okay, as soon as you click on there, it's going to open up this menu option here on the right. So first, by default, it's going to say, please enter your email to view this video. So we can go ahead and change that here on the right. Give me your darn email to view. Okay, and then down here, button text. Let's say we're going to go ahead and change this to see the video. And then here, ability to skip. So that's on. You can go ahead and turn that off. That's up to you. So if you turn this off, that means they need to present their email and be able to view the video. Okay, so once you've made all of those selections, go ahead and just go back. Okay, now it brings me back here to my video list. So let me go ahead and open up the video. Okay, so I just opened up the video. So here's the video link. And as you can see right here, in order to view the video with this call to action, they're going to need to enter in their email address in order to see the video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a call to action to one of your videos in Vidyard, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.